Gray car got blown off. Oh God. Please, no dust. Please, God, please tell me there was no dust. Oh God. Yep, that one's gone. Oh, the flag. The United States flag just got folded like a lawn chair. Windows blown out. Right there, the windows got blown out. Oh, look, put up right here. There's that over here. Oh, this is the restriction of a tornado. Well, ram.
¿Cuánto cobre hay? Metales.
Okay. Yeah.
Ese carro. Oh my God, ese carro lo levantó.
Over here?
Mira esa casa.
Oh!
Movió toda completa.
Where's the car that got lifted?
Nosotros vivimos nomás porque Dios quiere.
Oh, the whole roof got flown off. The roof somewhere over here. Oh. Oh, whole tree fell over here. Yeah, Dad, right here. What does that look like?
Ahí está. Chile. ¿Ya?
Oh, over here it's bad. Oh, God. This is where it completely went wild. Yep. Oh, God. Oh. Lavanderia. Oh, what is that? That's a GMC. Oh, God. Here, menasha. Look how bad it is in menasha right now. This feels like Reno 2.0. Just like the new Reno. This is bad over here in menasha. Do whatever you can to come over here in menasha. Save people's lives. And hope nobody gets. Whole garage went down. Whole garage over there went down. Whole garage.